It's a 2017 Ford F-150. Job after job, this truck is always ready for the next project. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and twin-turbo V6 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today. At family-owned Volvo of Marietta, things are different. We're conveniently located near Dobbins Air Force Base on Cobb Parkway.